Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Monday, June 23, 2025. This is primarily going to be a global heat report, but we're going to start off with a couple of notable earthquakes. 6.3, 6.2, Philippines, and 6.3, Solomon Islands. Let's head on over and take a look. There's a 6.3 and a 6.2 here, Philippine Sea. At 29 kilometers depth, felt reports Davao City area. Right here. Actually, 702. I do know these two are within a few minutes of each other. Same time, actually. 702, 6.3 in the Solomons. So 6.3 in the Solomons, actually. (1902). So 43 seconds apart. Between these two here. So now we're going to talk about a fulcrum point. So the seismic energy wave will spread out from the one off the Philippines. The one from the Solomons will spread out. The energy, depending on the timing is the same, will meet somewhere in the middle and cause what's called a fulcrum point earthquake. However, offshore here, specifically Papua New Guinea, is a common area for seismic activity, as well as right here. So upper level 5 possibility, fulcrum point response here. Deep earthquake, 196 kilometers. (125 kilometers). Before I go on my heat, no buoys activated. Quite a few areas of my heat detections I want to show you. Okay, I'm running big time slow here. Okay, another earthquake alert on my phone. Just canceled out my video. It's not going to be here yet, but shallow at 2 kilometers depth, 5.8 earthquake just happened right here between Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. 5.8, 2 kilometers depth. Let's see if we can continue. Yes, okay. So quite a few areas, since I'm zoomed in on this one. This peninsula area, Greece, quite a bit of heat detection, including several points in the waters. 367 Kelvin. So let's take a look at this area. So this peninsula here is all lit up. I don't know yet if there's a confirmed fires, but also we have 3 points in the waters. So we're 1/3 of a kilometer offshore. And again, this whole area. Let's move along. Greek island geos. So I reported earlier on today a single detection point on the North Island, or north part of the island. There's now 3 points. Not sure if this is a smoke stream or not. So we started off with 1, and now we have 2. That is going to be this area here. One here, and another one here. Continuing. And by the way, our wind patterns. So this is a separate event, not related to this. You can see which way the wind is flowing. So it's not like any embers were carried in this direction. Moving along. Another one off the eastern seaboard, off the tip of Nova Scotia. Looks like 2 points. So this is where we've had okay, now it's coming in. .7 default setting of 10 kilometers, but my app said it was a 2-kilometer depth earthquake. So we had our 2 earthquakes off the coast of, just on the edge of the continental shelf in Nova Scotia, and our heat detection is right here. Earlier on, it was the coast of New York, right here. Here is a common location. This is right where we had the major wildfire in Nova Scotia in 2023. Moving along. Off the coast of Mexico. This is a new location. .310 Kelvin. I'm just going to check what I have listed in my Google Earth. So we're going to see if this one's going to be growing on the north end of the Chios island, Greece. Here as well, we have a few points. On the island of Crete. And I think that's going to be it. Yeah, I'm quite sure I'll be back. Night is very young.